Hi guys. Oh. Hi guys. We are here at Subic with my apo. We're just like, doing something like this, and we are just enjoying ourselves. We're super fun here, and super relaxing. I wish you all the well in life and goodness of life. Yes, thank you for continue watching Mama Mas with the vlog. God bless you all. Yes, with my apo here beside me. Super fun, super enjoyable, and so much fun.
Let's go na. Let's go up. Come on, let's go up. Boom. Grabing dive yan. Wow, you dive really well. You dive really well. Okay, breathe, breathe.
Oh, that
Can we
was
go up
great. I tried to jump. Yes, go, go, go with Mama Mas. Yes, God bless you all mga kasmile. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe with Mama Mas. Go, go, go with us with my apo.
Let's go, let's go.